Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we will be starting chapter number 9, Agriculture and Industries. Nature has gifted our country with rich fertile soil, enough water for irrigation and suitable climate which helps in growing crops almost throughout the year. Around 2/3 of our population is engaged in agricultural activities. Our country's progress depends a lot on how strong our agricultural sector is. What is agriculture? Agriculture can be defined as the science or practice of farming which involves preparing and maintaining soil for growing useful plants or crops. Do you know what is crop? A crop can be defined as any cultivated plant that is harvested for the purpose of consumption in terms of food, livestock, clothing, medicines, biofuels, etc. Agriculture also includes rearing of animals for production of edible animal products such as dairy products, meat and other products like wool. Types of crops. There are two types of crops, food crops and cash crops. Food crops form the overall diet of a nation. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds and millets are food crops. Cash crops are grown for the commercial value. Sugarcane, cotton, jute are some examples of cash crops. Crops are also divided on the basis of sowing and harvesting seasons. Sowing means putting seeds in the soil for growing plants from it, and harvesting is the process which involves cutting off crops. The two main growing seasons are Rabi and Kharif. Rabi crops are also called winter crops as the season begins in October and continues through winter months. Rabi is the Arabic word for spring season as the Rabi crops are harvested in spring. Some Rabi crops are wheat, potato, mustard, gram, barley and green peas. Kharif crops are also called as the monsoon crops as the season begins at the start of the monsoon. These crops are ready for harvesting when monsoon season ends in October. Some Kharif crops are rice, millet, maize, jute and cotton. Food crops of India. Some of the food crops are as follows. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of India. It is the staple food of people living mostly in eastern and southern states. Rice needs a hot and humid climate and is therefore grown in areas which receive abundant rainfall. It is the main Kharif crop of the country. River basin and delta are ideal for growing rice. The main rice producing states are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal. Good irrigation methods have resulted in improved rice production in Punjab and Haryana. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop after rice and is also the most important rabi crop. This crop is the staple food of northwestern India. The main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and parts of Gujarat. Millets. Millets are coarse or seeded grains. They are grown as cereal crops across the country. Millets are largely consumed as a major food crop and is also sown as fodder and bird food. They have higher protein content than both wheat and rice. States producing millets are Jowar is mostly grown in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Bajra is grown in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Groundnut, coconut, mustard and linseed are oil seeds. Groundnut is mostly grown in South India, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Mustard is grown in wheat producing areas. Cash crops. Some of the major cash crops are as follows. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the major cash crops of India. It is the main raw material for production of sugar. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world after Brazil. The main sugar producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Jute. Jute is mostly grown in the eastern coastal areas of India. Jute is widely used for making gunny bags, ropes and carpets. It is mostly produced in West Bengal and Assam. Cotton. Cotton is needed for making threads and clothes. It is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab. Tea. Tea is the most widely consumed beverage in the world. India is the largest producer and exporter of tea in the world. It is grown mostly along the hill slopes in Assam, northwest Bengal and Nilgiri hills. Coffee. Coffee is one of the popular drinks in the world. It is grown in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Indian coffee is well known for its flavor and aroma in the global coffee market. India produces a large variety of spices like black pepper, cardamom and cloves. The Malabar coast in Karnataka and Kerala are the main producers of spices. Green Revolution in India. After famine in 1965, the Government of India introduced the Green Revolution program under the supervision of great scientists and workers. The purpose was to make India self-dependent in food production. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and Professor Norman E. Borlaug worked together for adopting new methods such as HYV, that is high yielding varieties of seeds, modern ways of irrigation, use of tractors and other machineries to improve agricultural yields. Dr. Swaminathan is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India. Other development programs in agriculture and government initiatives are Rashtriya Gramin Vikas Yojana, launched by the National Development Council in 2007 to boost agricultural production. The program is also called the National Agriculture Development Program NADP. National Horticulture Mission was started in 2005 to help in promoting horticulture sector. Do you know what is horticulture? Fruits production in orchards and gardens is called horticulture. India has made good progress in fruit production. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. India produces around 13% of the world's vegetables. It is an important producer of peas, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. India has made amazing improvement in agriculture. The river valley projects have provided more water for irrigation. Chemical fertilizers are now being frequently used. The farmers also use machines and scientific methods for tilling the land. During 1980s and 1990s, a comprehensive land development program was initiated by the government. Provision for crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire and disease, establishment of Gramin banks, cooperative societies and banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest were some important steps in this direction. Now we are winding up the chapter today. Further chapter we will be doing in the next video. Let us revise what we have studied today. Today we have studied agriculture has been the main occupation of the people in our country. Many crops are produced in our country. There are two main growing seasons, Rabi and Kharif. Rice is the main food crop of India. Wheat is the next important food crop of India. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. India has made good progress in the fruit production. I hope you have understood the chapter. Do the reading of the chapter and complete your written work of exercises, question answers and worksheet. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.